The Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Sadique Abubakar, says the Nigerian Air Force is restrategizing to address observed structural and operational gaps in response to the nation's security exigencies. He made this known during a courtesy visit to Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State in his office. Abubakar said the visit was to assess the Air Force base in Ibadan, identifying gaps in its organizational structure and draw up strategies to improve its capacity and the nation's air power in the southwest.
We are here in Ibadan, just like the Director of Public Relations said, on operational visit. The idea of this visit is for us to identify where we have gaps in our organizational structure. Since 2015, we have restructured the Air Force, addressing gaps in the former structure that we used to have. We have created 2 field commands, and we have also restructured the headquarters of the Air Force itself. Now we have started restructuring units. We have established quite a number of units in the northeast and the northwest because of the security challenges that we are facing, as well as the north central. Now we are looking at the southwest. We have realized that we have only a base in Lagos, Ibadan here, and then in Ipetu, Ijesha. We are critically looking at what gaps are currently in existence in the structure that we have here in the southwest. And we are very excited to note that you are interested in expanding Ibadan Airport. And we want to key into that initiative so that at the end of the day we'll have a base that is better than what we have right now in Ibadan. I want to assure you, Your Excellency, will really be very happy to key into this, your plan of expanding the airport here, so that we can also have an Ibadan as another base for the C-130 aircraft that we operate in Lagos. So that if we have any problem, we don't have to fly from Lagos. We can position our aircraft here and operate from here, and then bring other aircraft types depending on what is required and the exigencies of the time. So I want to solicit for the support of Your Excellency and your government, so that when we finally come in, we will get all the support that we require from the state government.
In his response, the governor commended the Air Force for its efforts, noting that identifying structural gaps will help to address national security challenges.
So the relationship with the Nigerian Air Force here, we sure want to keep it up and even do more. Once we carry out the project that we have, that we have earmarked, I believe it will be a lot easier to accommodate whatever program, whatever the Air Force wants to do around here. I know this is a challenging period for us as a country, security-wise, and we want to thank you for looking towards southwest, to expand the footprint of the Nigerian Air Force here. We can count on this government to be a partner in progress and to achieve some of the objectives that you already set out. Anything that you need from us, either through him or directly to me, we will definitely oblige.
Makinde promised to provide infrastructural support, particularly electricity, to the Air Force Comprehensive School in Ibadan.